to take my tooth out.
All right, stay still and wiggle it so I can get a picture of it. A video.
Ah.
Oh my God.
Uh-huh.
So just yank it out. All right, try it again. Put the tissue on it.
No.
And then yank.
Not gonna.
Try it again. Keep trying. I think I got it.
Did it come out?
Yeah.
Show me, show me, show me. That's because I whacked you in the elbow.
Yeah.
Show me the tooth, show me the tooth. I don't want to see you spitting blood. Show me the tooth.
Let me see. Oh, come on. She didn't cash the check yet. Friggin' blood everywhere.